Thursday, May 9th, 2024. Focus. You will be sorrowful, but your sorrow will turn into joy. While learning to ride his new bicycle, Nash fell and hurt himself repeatedly. But 3 days later, he was all smiles when he was able to cycle without assistance. And at year end, he emerged a winner in the school cycle race. In times of trial and tribulation, sickness and sorrow, these words of Jesus bring us consolation, even though he is referring to his death and resurrection. When we face problems, we try and overcome them. We pray, but are disappointed if we do not receive an immediate answer. In our distress, we feel as if faced by a massive mountain with no way around. Perhaps we even give up on prayer. But the Lord Himself gives us hope. Beyond that mountain, there is something very beautiful awaiting us in His perfect plan. And the mountain is not as huge as it first seemed. Suddenly, the storm calms, the mountain melts, and we realize that our problems and even the depressing thoughts have vanished like the mist. Then, the light of Christ enlightens us to realize that the trials and pain were for our own good, to rescue us from eternal damnation, or simply to save us from physical danger. Hence, we ought to patiently endure every trial with grace, love, and gratitude to God. Fruit. I shall thank the Lord for my problems, trusting in His plans with steadfast hope.